how long is the accessible ramp that has a 45-inch vertical height? Probably everybody knows that if I have 12 inches horizontal, that allows me 1 inch vertical, and so that's a 1 to 12 relationship. So if I have 1 to 12, that means it's 1 inch vertical to 1 foot horizontal. So 45 inches vertical should get me 45 feet horizontal. Except every 30 inches vertical, I need to have a landing. So it's going to add 5 feet onto my ramp. So my accessible ramp that goes 45 inches vertical is going to be actually 50 feet long. So again, trick question, but there you go.
And I think that's an interesting point. You're doing a nice job of clarifying these as somewhat trickier questions. And again, we talk about this often, that NCARB will try as hard as they can to not have trick questions. I think, as Mike said, he's utilizing those types of questions to really help you kind of think. And so it's important for you to not get freaked out and not worried that NCARB's going to try to trick you.
Yeah, they are not going to go out of their way to do something that really feels like a trick question. However, they are likely to give you multiple answers that are all potentially correct answers. Yep. It's just that one is the better answer, the best answer.